We're gonna figure out how we're gonna get that into there.
Okay. Yeah. I should have gloves for this. The Borg warner. You guys said you wanted to see the International engine that runs into the other International, keep the International. So that's what we're gonna do. That's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna go pull out a seat that someone wants to buy as well. If you see any International parts that you want, let us know and we will ship them out to you. We're also gonna be doing a giveaway. So stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. All right, guys, we're back here at the International spot. Jake, what are we gonna do today?
We're gonna figure out how we're gonna get that into there.
Okay. It's what you guys wanted to see, so we're gonna make it happen. We're gonna make it happen. Let's take another look around this International. All right, here's the seat. We're gonna get that out for you. We're gonna ship that your way. Yeah, I should have gloves for this. Oh, yeah, just so you can see that again. I'm propping over my foot. Oh, jeez. You can literally push on this and this whole thing moves. Okay. Yeah, you can see there used to be a cover right there at some point. Ugh. Yeah, we drove this thing home. I'll show you around this thing. Still got some good parts, so just let us know if you need anything. And we can pull it out, send it your way. Fun fact, I mean, most of you guys that watch this video might know, this is where your brights used to be. I learned that when we got this truck. I've never seen one of these before, but yeah. You just be driving, put your brights on, there you go, there you go. Alright guys, so underneath of this engine right now, underneath of this car, looking at the bolt patterns, we're gonna see if this thing fits up to the cell. That'd be great, that'd be amazing. Should we keep the automatic transmission that it comes with? Let us know in the comments, let us know. All right, and here we're on the underside of this is the International that runs. As we can see here, it's got a lot of natural anti-corrosion, otherwise known as oil leaks. So we'll probably have to fix that when we pull the engine out. But yeah, you can see here there's a missing cover there's a missing inspection cover right here. This is the manual transmission. You can look right there. The Borg warner. I didn't know they made transmissions, but I thought they just made turbos. Alright guys, so we've done some engine identification here. As you can see, look at these numbers right here. They're all greased up, so I had to kind of feel it out. But from this, as we can see, if you're flipping around, it's V392. So this engine is a 392. It's time to figure out what the engine in the clean International is. All right, so if we come here, we can see it says 345. So this engine is a 345. The other engine is a 392. Not the same engine, but it looks like it bolts up. So, and all the accessories look the same, except for that other one does not have AC. So there's no AC compressor. Ugh. Yeah, we're getting somewhere on this. All right, I've pulled the seat. That was kind of tough. Well, it wasn't that bad. Jake, tell me what you just said.
Well, according to the forums, the 392 and the 345 have a 12-inch converter, and run the same transmission, so it should be able to bolt up.
All right. That's good news. So it looks like we're gonna see this engine get put into this truck. It should bolt up. We'll see where that goes. All right, Jake, what have we found out, and what's our next plan of action?
Well, this one's a 345, that's a 392. We're gonna take the 392 and put it in, and hopefully it should be running, and we go from there.
We'll see.
All right, so the game plan, we're gonna take the front clip off both trucks. Gonna take that engine out via an engine hoist mounted to the flatbed of my truck, which is gonna be a whole fun shit show. And then we're gonna take the front clip off of this guy, pull the engine out. This engine's scrap, basically, and hopefully the new one bolts in decent. The only thing I'm really concerned about is the motor mounts. You might see some fabrication, but other than that, should be a pretty direct replacement.
All right, like I said, we're gonna be doing a giveaway. So we found some basic parts off of the International. So like, comment, and subscribe, and we're gonna ship this to one of you guys. You know, it's a cool little knickknack. Come here, look at this. We're gonna ship this to one of you International fans. Just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Comment what do you think we should do with the Internationals? Well, comment how you think it's gonna go. So just comment anything.